Okay, today is October 24th, 2019, and right now we've got warm conditions. We've got aerosol chemtrail haze overhead. We can see here what's happening. We've got high pressure installed right over Northern California. We see this clockwise rotation here. Let's go ahead and look at the western U.S. water vapor loop. We can see that high pressure that's centered right there. Right near Eureka, Northern California. So all this moisture from the jet stream is starting to swing down through Nevada and Utah and Arizona, and we've seen the haze, the aerosol chemtrail haze, moving in over the mountains. It was very heavy over the Orange County and LA County areas today. And we can see all that descending air, the pattern it's making. Everything is being squashed out. We can see the very dry air out in this area. We've got Santa Ana winds. Those are manufactured winds by this high pressure area installed adjacent to a low pressure system right here, now moving out of New Mexico into Texas. So we had some very strong winds overnight in various areas around Southern California. Not everybody had wind, but it was enough to get everybody's attention. And now we have no less than 7 fires burning in Southern California alone. In Santa Clarita, we've got a fire in Agua Dulce, which is just up the freeway, up to 14, a few miles. And then we have a fire in, I believe it's in San Fernando, one in Van Nuys in the Sepulveda Basin. And there are a couple of other fires which I can't even remember. But those are all right down in Southern California where we're having the wind and the 10% relative humidity conditions. So we've got a manufactured high pressure, man-made high pressure zone right here, which is deflecting and rerouting the jet stream moisture. And we should have had cool temperatures and precipitation from this system, which moved through the area here a day and a half ago. And we can see right here we've got a counterclockwise rotating vortex which has a right angle imprint right down here. Let's go ahead and look at the big map once again, and we can see the changes. We had a long trail of moisture on the jet stream moving right into Canada. Today we see we've got a right angle imprint on a developing low pressure system, and of course there's high pressure right here adjacent to that low, and up here we've got another low pressure system with a right angle imprint as well right up here. You can see that fairly clearly. Okay, so the wind is forecast to continue. As we look at the infrared map, we see all that moisture diving down, spinning around this installed high. There's the moisture, and of course there's a 0 rain forecast for California, Southern California. And I've got the Doppler here. Let's see if we can get this Doppler. Nope, this is not working. Okay, well, so this is going to be another short report. We've got hot, dry weather on the menu for tomorrow as well. So as long as this high pressure is here, the jet stream is not going to make its way into our area. And we can see this low pressure center right here is being blockaded. And we have yet another low trying to form. Anytime you get a long, many hundreds of miles of jet stream flowing in one direction like we saw in yesterday's video, there's always going to be a low pressure is going to want to start to spin because we're up in the northern hemisphere. That's just the Coriolis effect, like what we're seeing right here. And we see but there's a man-made high pressure right on top of that low pressure system. And we see the effect of that satellite transmitter. We have a nearly perfect right angle at the end of that frame there, that last frame. Okay, so that that's reloading, taking a while. We got slow internet here today for some reason. Okay, so that's the report. We'll try to get another update here real soon. That's it.